In the last video, we wrote the main body paragraphs to a Task 2 essay. We now need to write the conclusion paragraph. We then need to do the last two stages of writing: edit and review. In the conclusion paragraph, we need to do two things: summarize the main points and restate our opinion. If we look at our original plan, we can clearly see what the main points are. Let's start by summarizing the reasons to disagree. We need to show that this is the conclusion, so should use a linking phrase like "in conclusion." We then need to state that there are reasons to disagree with the opinion that schools aren't necessary. We don't want to repeat ourselves, so let's keep this simple. We then need to summarize the reasons. We then need to concede that there are reasons to agree with the opinion. We can use a linking word here to show that we are conceding. We could use admittedly, nevertheless, however, or others. Now we summarize the reasons to agree. Finally, we have to restate our opinion, linking it to the summarized reasons. Another linking phrase would be useful here to show that we have weighed up the two sides. Now we just need to restate our opinion in a slightly different way to how we did it in the introduction. So we have now finished writing. Yay! However, we have not finished yet. Remember that you do not stop until the time is up. Use every second available to make it as good as you possibly can. When you've finished writing, the next two steps are edit and review. Look through your essay carefully. You are looking for two things: mistakes with your grammar or vocabulary. Common mistakes include subject-verb agreement, singular, plural and uncountable nouns, spelling mistakes, or using the wrong word. You are also looking for ways to improve your writing. As you read through your essay, some things to consider are: am I repeating the same words again and again? Could I use synonyms or other referencing like pronouns? Can I join any short sentences together to make one longer sentence and use more complex grammar such as relative clauses? Are any sentences so long that they are difficult to read and follow? If so, how can I split them into two sentences? When you've finished, do it again, and again, and again, until the examiner tells you that the time is up. Remember that one small change could be the difference between, for example, a band 7 and a band 7.5. So that's how to write an IELTS Task 2 essay from beginning to end. Just follow the power stages and the structure I've shown you, and you're on your way to getting a great score. Of course, you'll still need to work on your vocabulary and grammar, and we can help you with that. Please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for future videos. You can also follow us on Instagram for regular tips about IELTS and English in general. And you can visit our website for more information and free downloads. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Yay!